participation. Did you do it or did you not?
Wait, miss.
Huh?
Let me put on my lip gloss first.
What?
Alright, so here it is. There. Where's my sound?
Wait, what?
Why do I not have any sound?
I don't know.
There's no sound.
Broken. There we go.
What the heck? What's the code? 946 841.
So it is on thesis statement, so what we just covered, okay? That's what we're reviewing. The code is up here, look up on the board. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9.
Hey, Wyatt.
I need 17 people in here, Judy. Get this.
I have Jacob.
No. Stay right there. And Alicia's only over there because she doesn't have a laptop.
Wait.
Whenever we do other ones, I'll let you guys switch, but not today. Leilani does have a laptop.
I like this.
Yeah, see her.
Ow, my hair. These chairs.
I need 5 more people. Or 4. As long as you got Ananias on there, so I can take a score. 1 more person.
What?
Who am I missing? Don't make me go through the list. Go ahead and get on there. You was
Backwards.
Ándale. Get in there. Huh? Yes, Isabella, now get in there.
She misses me more.
I miss all of you now. Someone get in there. 1, 2, 3.
What the f?
Isabel, something. It looks like.
Yeah.
What the heck are these profile pictures? These profile pictures are ass.
Refresh, Pablo, or like go to a new tab and put join my quiz again.
Up. Mobile block. Playing Roblox.
See Pablo or no? It's loading? Pablo, you wanna go sit with someone?
We.
Okay, beautiful. Alright.
With the buttons?
Sit with someone, Pablo. Alright.
Uh-oh. What the heck? Wow, this is unnecessary music.
Come on, we went over this. I shouldn't hear any eyes.
Wait, not paragraph. No, the first sentence, not last paragraph. I'm an idiot. I already got one wrong. That's bad.
I don't know this one.
I don't know.
300 sec. That's wait, really?
Jacob, let's go. Yeah, I don't know why. Remember, I found it, okay? So I didn't make it.
You just need one more person to answer.
Jacob, did you pick one? Did you pick an answer? That's weird. It says you haven't. Okay. But then if I skip it, it doesn't. Yeah, wait, hold on.
Yes.
Alright.
I know. I wasn't thinking. Okay, I wasn't thinking. I thought it said sentence,
What?
not paragraph.
Alright,
First
where
paragraph.
should the thesis statement come out?
The first paragraph.
Yes, the first.
I was thinking
introductory
first
paragraph.
sentence.
Okay.
I got it confused with sentence and paragraph. But whatever.
No, not anywhere. Okay. All together, children. Where does the thesis
Only two
Can I
got it
put
right, but
anywhere? First paragraph. Okay, next question.
someone raised their hand.
I didn't know
Next
that
question.
that was actually real.
Which the following is a major component of the many thesis.
What do I need in my thesis?
Wait a second.
Make sure you read
Yes,
it
I
all
think
over.
I got it wrong.
Oh my god, I put the wrong one. Like I'll give my first order, so I put it. Oh my god.
Maybe I'll assign it again as a quiz grade.
What the heck?
No, miss, don't do that.
Only in Ohio.
Good.
Or Los Angeles.
Ready?
Woo! Oh my god. I'm gonna jump over the celestial debris. I'm jumping over it right now. I'm gonna die now. R.I.P. everyone. Ow.
Jacob, did you answer?
Click it.
Says
Just
you're
keep clicking. Keep clicking. Just keep clicking. You'll be fine. Run. Ow. I don't know why there's no audio. Oh, it's my volume.
Does it not
I
tell
lived.
you?
Oh yeah. I will.
I did it.
Stephanie, YND, and Alicia, and I didn't see the third person. Okay.
Yes, I got it right.
Oh, I can raise my hand.
Plain.
Yeah.
Alright, hey, what are the three things I need in my thesis statement?
Three supporting details, a claim, and
Subject.
I'm at 91.
Subject, claim, three supporting details.
What the heck? This is supposed to express the main idea that links to supporting points. What?
Ask for the answer. Don't ask.
You tell
Why
me.
you ask for the answer? I mean, I know the answer, but.
I don't know. It is?
Yeah.
It's false?
I think it's true.
I don't know what it is.
You guys ready?
Xbox control it? Yes, go!
Do it. Okay, I got it right.
What the heck was that?
Stephanie, YND, and Alicia, Wyatt. Yes, this one is true. Oh my god, I'm so proud of you.
Yes, I got it right.
Oh, no one got it wrong. Oh boy. This is a good or bad thesis statement to the question. When is the child old enough to stay alone? 11 because of make it to. That's a bad. I feel like the good age is like 12.
Tell me, is it good or bad?
Can't ask. I think it's mid. It's mid, definitely mid. It's definitely mid. Imagine it's doomsday, that'd be crazy.
Miss, I don't know.
You tell me, what do you think?
Yeah, 4 minutes to answer.
You got it.
Home Alone. It says Home Alone.
Okay?
when a child is old enough to stay.
I say that. I say that.
I've been home alone like 4 times. Oh. Imagine it's Giga. Imagine we get Giga during school. Wait, it's terrain. I got it in. I think it's yes. It's gotta be yes. I'm just gonna hide right here.
Miss, I was staying home since I was like 4 years old.
That's a lie.
And then my brother.
Leilani, pick
Dun
one.
dun 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 dun.
What does your gut tell you?
There's one more person.
Oh, Dad. It's Dad.
Yes.
That's an opinion. That could be an opinion.
Do not do the Giga for real. Do not the Giga for real. If it does the Giga. Ah!
Another one?
Oh my god. Okay, run, 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 run.
I think that's good.
The terrain's no, stop it.
Isabel, you're in a row like streak. I don't know.
I don't know, I just chose. It's GIGANADO.
There's the bell. Hurry up, one hasn't answered yet.
Stop starting out and answer if it's wrong or right.
What?
How was that a good? What the hell is a precisely?
Heart rates, they don't discriminate. Wait, did I get it right?
It was a good one.
Oh, yeah. Okay, Miss, I have so much split edge. It's not even, I'm gonna
So easy.
What's a thesis?
Bruh. Is that fucking stupid? Oh, hi, Papa. What the heck?
Pablo, why didn't you say what we had Jacob over it? Yeah, Jacob was laughing at me the other day.
Don't. Jacob is innocent.
Correct.
Stay right here.
Isabel, the song is boring. No. What in the M&M?
Take that, Giga. I beat you. Let's go. Pog. Pog in chat, guys. Pog in chat, everyone. Ew. Pumped. Write an essay explaining why it is important to laugh. I don't know, she's the longest one. How about that?
Who answers that fast?
I don't think I can do the little crawl glitch on PC. Because I can. Maybe I can. If it does the bench force, like that. I think I'll be fine right here. I'll be fine right here. If it is bench 8, we have to be the luckiest people in the world. Fuck. I've gone 3 wrong so far. Ah, shit. I guess this will be a part 1, guys. See you back in a second.